Hi, welcome to Simple Scuba. This is our ladies i3 Mikron package. Includes the Aqualung Pearl i3 BCD, Aqualung Mikron first stage and second stage, Mikron octopus, and the Oceanic Navcon gauge. Have a look at some of the features on each product. The the Pearl i3 BCD is designed for ladies, give you much more support, much more comfort than a standard unisex or male BCD. It's also an i3 system, so it doesn't have your standard inflator over the left-hand shoulder. It uses a inflate-deflate lever system on the left-hand pocket. You don't have a left-hand pocket built in, as the i3 system actually uses up that space. But it is a very simple system. It's a fully integrated system into the deflation system. Lifting up on the lever will inflate the BCD, and then pushing down will start to deflate the BCD. The further you push it down, the faster it will deflate. So it's a very simple system that uses all of the dumps and will prioritise the deflation out of the most appropriate one. So if you're upright like this, it will deflate out the top dumps. If you're vertical, if you're horizontal or you're swimming downwards, inverted, it will deflate out the lower dumps. So it's intelligent enough to provide the best deflation system. Also got integrated weights, very simple. Just need to tug on the rubberized tag. It will just release the pockets. You can put some lead blocks or shop bags in there, and just gives you a bit more balance and helps you take some of the weight from the weight belt as well. They're great for travelling with. You can just literally take the pockets, grab some whatever shot they've got, whatever lead they've got, and you can put it in your pouches, and you can forget about it. So you haven't got to worry about finding retaining clips or anything for a belt. Just literally take these pouches, whack in the blocks, and you're set. The Pearl also uses a sort of gusset system, so it gives you much better lift on the surface. If you need extra buoyancy, you can obviously inflate it to its maximum, and this gusset will basically expand out. So if I show you, so that's expanded right out, giving you much more lift in this extra area, both sides. And this elastic strap that runs across here actually draws that material back in once you deflate. So with that out of the way, you're reducing the drag. There's no flapping material in the water. It also helps prevent snagging as well. Back at BC, you've got a standard cam system. Single strap, obviously using that cam band. Also got trim pockets on all but the extra small sizes. And these allow you to put some balancing weights in, gives you a bit extra weight on the back, stops you rolling around as well. Have a look at the regulators. Aqualung Mikron, one of the smallest, lightest regulators you can currently get, using a composite material. First stage makes it incredibly light. As you see, it's very, very small as well. Fully balanced, so it gives you great performance. You also got full port support as well. We've got 2 low pressure and a high pressure both sides, so it can be used in the UK down to about 10 degrees C. Second stage, again, is incredibly small. The ladies' version is trimmed out with a nice pink logo on the front. It's balanced, so it gives you great performance, any depth and any cylinder pressure, and you do have a inhalation control on the side, which you can just wind out to make more sensitive or wind back in to make it more resistant. So it really helps free flowing as well, especially for the octopus that uses the same system. You can wind it in and it will help prevent that accidental free flowing. Again, the mouthpiece is designed for ladies, much smaller mouthpiece, gives you more comfort. You also have this bridge over the top, which helps prevent the mouth from drying out. So, obviously the octopus on a longer hose, and you can see the difference in the mouthpieces there. Much smaller on the standard one, which you're going to be using a lot more. And the standard octopus, you've got a bigger mouthpiece. Obviously, you're not necessarily doning to a woman, so it doesn't really matter what mouthpiece is on there. So it's got a standard mouthpiece, still high quality silicone, but obviously a little bit larger. Obviously trimmed out in yellow just for observation, and you do have that adjuster on the side as well. And finally on the gauge, Oceanic double combi gauge. Again, nice small compact design, very modern look, big dials on there, very easy to read. Depth at the top, pressure at the bottom. You also get a small temperature gauge on there as well. Rubberized finish, so it's got good protection against impact shocks. Really helps protect those gauges inside. So obviously designed primarily for warm water, can be used in the UK, sort of out the extremes of winter. That's the ladies i3 Mikron package.